Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Wednesday to each and every one of you. I'm wearing my college gear today, Cal Poly Pomona. Today is the 1st of April. Welcome to it, and it's day 7, I think, of distance learning. So, my good things for today are my beautiful daughters, Greta and Georgia. Girls, say hi. Say hi. That means say hello. All right. They're my good things, even if they're absolutely silly. So, bye-bye. Go. Let me make my video. Go. Okay. So, happy Wednesday to each and every one of you. Please remember to fill out the attendance form for today. Please also share a good thing on that form and let me know if you're not doing great or if there's anything you need help with. I haven't put this in the assignment guide yet, but I will. Either tomorrow or Friday, we're going to do a class group meet, meaning I will send out a link in Google Meet and give you guys a time. I'm thinking probably around 10 a.m. to maybe 10:30 or slightly longer, and we will just meet as core classes. I don't know if I'll do two separate ones, one for period 1-2 or one for period 6-7 or not, or just one, more likely just one. But that'll be either tomorrow or Friday, and I'll put that in tomorrow's video to remind you of that, and I'll put the link here in the assignment guide and in the Google Classroom thing that I send out for that day. All right, but that's tomorrow. For today, this is a social studies day. We've concluded good things. Remember to send yours along with your attendance link for today on that form. Today, I'm going to ask you to do a couple of things. Number one, on Monday, you should have watched at least 2 videos from that link that I sent you, from that really cool site. And remember that the ones towards the bottom of that page were Reformation videos. The ones towards the top were Renaissance. Also, some of the links weren't great there. I put those links again right here. I don't know if they'll work better there or not, but I did approve each of those videos, so I don't know what's going on. And if you just take the title and search on YouTube, maybe from a non-TUSD device, you might have better luck with those. Anyway, I asked you to write 10 questions. That was 10 questions total, not 10 questions per video. What I want you to do today is to categorize those questions. I'll be sending out in just a couple minutes this form, which is about leveled questions. I hope that you have seen this before. But anyway, level 1 questions are questions that are, I call right there questions. Ones that you can put your finger on the text and say, this is the answer to this question. So those are questions like, what information is given? Where did? Name the, what is, who was, etc. Level 2 questions are ones that require you to look maybe multiple places within a text. Ones that maybe require you to think about the information you've read a little bit more deeply and combine information from different parts of the text to come up with your answer, like what would happen to you if? Can you see relationships? What occurs when? So maybe you're explaining something and taking information from a full chapter or from several parts of a text. And then level 3 questions require you to hypothesize, to think beyond the text, right? So level 3 questions might be something like predictions, or what would it be like to live? Write a new ending to an event. Describe the events that might occur if. So you're hypothesizing information, hypothesizing beyond the information that you read. So I will be sending you out this doc along with this form right here. And on the form, I'm going to ask you to simply categorize your 10 questions, right? Decide whether each one is a level 1, level 2, or level 3. And then send me, by filling out this form, 3 level 2 or 3 questions, right? So if you don't have any level 2 or 3 questions in the ones you wrote, you might need to do a few more. In addition to that, back to the assignment guide here, I want you to start reading and going over your notes for chapter 11:1. I realize that those are on my haiku page, but please at least retype or rewrite them on your own and read the section. That is all for today. I'll send out a new message tomorrow. Stay happy, stay well. Remember to fill out the attendance form. Bye-bye.